Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can resell your Ticketmaster tickets. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser and simply tap open your Ticketmaster in website or app. So once you tap open the official website of Ticketmaster, you will have this kind of interface on your screen. So now simply sign in into your account by tapping on the My Account section. Once you're signed in, you can simply go in the Sell section, and once you're in the Sell section, you will be redirected to this kind of interface. Now simply in the search bar, select the tickets you want to sell and set your price accordingly. So once you have read all the terms and conditions, you need to simply click on the list tickets and continue. After doing this, you can simply sell your tickets on Ticketmaster, and now you can get instant offers. Select and review and accept the offer, then accept the offer to confirm the sale and select a requested method of payment. So this is how you can resell your Ticketmaster tickets. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.